Starting off with the easy ones. What luxury liner sank on its maiden voyage in 1912 after famously being marketed as virtually unsinkable? Got it? Option D, Titanic. According to Greek legend, what deceptive wooden gift did the Trojans foolishly bring inside their city walls? You're looking for option D, Trojan Horse. In 1985, Coca-Cola committed a notorious marketing blunder by reformulating its flagship soda and launching what short-lived product? You're looking for option B, New Coke. Let's see how solid you really are. Which French emperor's catastrophic invasion of Russia left most of his Grand Armée destroyed by winter, starvation, and relentless pursuit? And it is option B, Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1962, which British record label famously rejected the Beatles, reportedly saying that guitar groups were on their way out? And it is option C, Decca. At the 1876 Battle of the Little Bighorn, which overconfident U.S. cavalry commander was wiped out along with his entire detachment? Got it? Option C, George Armstrong Custer. NASA lost its $125 million Mars climate orbiter in 1999 because engineers mixed metric calculations with what older measurement system? Got it? Option B, imperial units. This is where it gets serious. Which top-heavy Swedish warship, overloaded with cannons, capsized and sank barely a mile into its maiden voyage in 1628? You're looking for option B, Vasa. During the Crimean War, a garbled order sent British cavalry charging headlong into Russian artillery in what disastrously botched assault? And the correct answer is option C, Charge of the Light Brigade. Which video rental giant reportedly passed on buying a small startup called Netflix for about $50 million around the year 2000? It's option D, Blockbuster. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.